Okay, let's start to today's lecture. Now, what we done, guys? We just in the previous class we done the constraint. Right now, what happened? We need to play with the large quantity of data. Okay, right now we are understand how to create a table, how to create a database, how to use that, how to put it data inside of the table. We done everything, isn't it? But we didn't play with the data. If I have the large quantity of data, how I can deal with this, isn't it? But when we are going to the organization like a Google, a different big organization, what happened? We need to play with the big amount of data. So over here, what I am doing, if you can go to the search engine, you can see over here. Okay. Now let me show you something. Okay, I'm going to the Chrome. Okay, and I'm going to the W3 school. Okay, you already know W3 school is the famous website where we can understand the different programming language. Okay, now we are in W3 school. Okay, see over here we have the SQL. It's a SQL and MySQL is the same. MySQL is the database management system and SQL is the query language we are using inside of that. Okay, now I'm using the SQL. Now I'm using the scroll down. You can see try it yourself. Okay, now see when you are doing to try it yourself, see they have one database. Okay, and inside of the database they have the different tables are over here. Customer is the one table. Inside of the customer table they have to the 91 records. Category also the one kind of table. Inside they have to the 8 records. Employees, orders, order details after a product, shipping, and the what suppliers. Okay, this they have the different tables, isn't it? And over here in that table they have the data, isn't it? And over here we are writing to the query, and when we are run that query it will be executed. Right now maybe I want to do the select star from customer. Okay, I want to select that. I want to select which table. I want to select the table name as a customer. You can see inside of the customer they have the large quantity of data, isn't it? So we need to also use that, but we are not using into the your website. We are putting this database into the your MySQL. Okay, let me show you how we can put that. Okay, now we are going again back to our virtual machine. Okay, now you can see I have only the one database that is called what? SYCS. Right now I am putting another database from to the inside of your device. Okay, means inside of your drive, we have already the database inside of your hard drive. You have already the database. Okay, so how we can import that data from somewhere else? Okay, now see, we need to go to the over here. This is called what? Servers. Okay, so we are going to the server. After that we have to the option data import. Okay, let me click on the data import. Now okay, see we have the option in the down, import from self contained file. Okay, now we are going over here. Okay, and after that what we are doing over here, we have to the three dots. Let me click over here, three dots. I have already downloaded this database. Okay, if you can check your WhatsApp group, I already sent it over this file. Okay, I'm selecting that and I'm saying open. Okay, now I giving the path over here. After you giving path, we need to come to the over here. This is called what? Import process. Okay, I'm going to the import process and see over here we have to the option start import. Now see, it's starting to the import your database. It's take a little bit time because we have the large quantity of data inside of that. Whenever it's finished, you can see the full green line will they will show. Now just refresh your one. You can see right now I have the W3 school database over here. Okay. Now what I am doing, I want to erase, I want to just close these tabs, which one I don't want. Okay. And even I want to search over here in the Chrome, your W3 school. Let me go over here in the Chrome. Okay. Chrome browser I'm using. W3 school. Okay, first application. Sorry, first website. Okay, SQL. After that, try it yourself. Isn't it? Now see, what is that over here? Customer. Customer, category, employee, order details, order, product, shipping, and the suppliers, right? I'm going back again to my database. See, I'm using this drop down menu. After that, I have the different tables. Check that, is it same table? Category, customer, employee, order details, orders, product, shippers, and the suppliers. See, this whatever we can see over here, this is the same data. Right now, what we are doing? We are using one query. Select star from customer, and I want to run that. You can see when I am running that, okay, maybe there is something problem. Okay, let me check again back. Okay, run. Okay, then see when I'm running back, you can see the data is over here. Okay, now let's check back again to the your. Okay, now let's again check back to the your also. We are writing over here that is the query. What is that? Select. Okay, after star, star means what? All columns. Okay, all columns. Select star from. Okay, is it just my computer problem? Okay, select star from. Select star from my table label is what? Customer. Okay, I'm putting over here customers. Okay, and don't forget to use to the semicolon of the line end section. I'm selecting this and I want to run that. You can see. Okay, what is the problem? No database selected. Okay, before that we need to check that we need to select our database also, isn't it? For I want to use my database W3 schools. Okay, W3 schools. Okay, I'm selecting this. Okay, I forgot to the semicolon. Let me add the semicolon. I'm selecting this and running. Right now, see, it's a black one. Means I'm right now using the W3 school. And after that, customer. I'm selecting this as a customers and I want to run that. You can see, I can check that my customer details. You can see whatever the customer details are over here in your VS, in your W3 school, is it same like you can see over here too? So means what happened? I put it that W3 school data inside of your MySQL workbench, and right now we are understanding the one by one different queries over here. Means different we are fetching, we are manipulating the data, and we are learning over here that all concept. So this is for okay for today. Let me stop the video. Okay.